Good morning everyone. I am Aditya Shrestha, a teacher trainee of B.Ed second semester from Siliguri Tarai B.Ed College and Siliguri Private Teachers Training College. Well, the topic we are continuing is trigonometric ratios. So today we will solve some questions based on the things we have learned till date. So before starting our today's session, let's recapitulate the class that we have learned till date.
So in the previous class, we learned to find the sides of a right angle triangle, that is hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. Here in this figure, angle ABC is 90 degree. As I said before, the opposite side of angle 90 degree will be hypotenuse. Here angle ACB is theta, which is our considered angle. So the opposite side of considered angle will be perpendicular and the remaining side will be base. Also, we form the formulas of trigonometric ratios, that is sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse, tan theta equal to perpendicular by base, cot theta equal to base by perpendicular, sec theta equal to hypotenuse by base, cosec theta equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. You may remember this formula with the help of mnemonic, that is Pandit Badri Prasad Harihari Bol. And also here sine and cosec are the reciprocal of each other, cos and sec are the reciprocals of each other, tan and cot are the reciprocals of each other. And also we derive the values of trigonometric ratios, that is sine of angle 0 degree is 0, sine of angle 30 degree is half, sine of angle 45 degree is 1 by root 2, sine of angle 60 degree is root 3 by 2, sine of angle 90 degree is 1. Also cos of angle 0 degree is 1, cos of angle 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos of angle 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos of angle 60 degree is half, cos of angle 90 degree is 0. In the same way, value for tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta are of same type.
So now, based on the previous knowledge, let's solve this question. So the question is, in a right angle triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree, angle A equal to 30 degree and AC equal to 20 centimeter, let us determine the lengths of two sides BC and AB. So we are given that angle B equal to 90 degree, angle A equal to 30 degree and value for AC equal to 20 centimeter. So now to solve this problem, let's draw a diagram. Consider this is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, this is angle 90 degree. So according to question, angle 90 degree is B. So this point must be B. Let's say this point is A and this point is C. The value for AC is given that 20 centimeter. Now, with respect to this angle 90 degree side, AC is hypotenuse, and also we have given that angle A is 30 degree. So with respect to this angle 30 degrees, side BC is perpendicular and side AB is base. So we have to find the lengths of two sides BC and AB. Now let's first find the length of sides BC. For determining BC in right angle triangle ABC, we should take the trigonometric ratio having AC and BC, because the length of side AC is known, that is 20 centimeter. So which trigonometric ratio has side AC and BC? That means hypotenuse and perpendicular, sine and cos. Value for sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse and cosec theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular. So by taking any one side out of this, by taking any one ratio out of this two ratio, you may find the value of the length BC. So now in right angle triangle ABC, I am taking sine. Sine of angle is our 30 degree. Sine of angle 30 degree is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So in this figure, perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So what's the value for sine 30 degree? Value for sine 30 degree is half. BC will be BC and value for AC is 20 centimeter. Now cross multiply this. 2 into BC is 2 BC. 1 into 20 is 20. Now BC is equal to 20 by 2. Cancel this out. 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. Or BC equal to 10. Therefore, the length of side BC is 10 centimeter. So we got the side BC. Now we have to find the value of AB. So for determining AB in right angle triangle ABC, we should take the trigonometric ratio having AC and AB. So which trigonometric ratio has AC and AB? Or hypotenuse and base? It's sec theta and cos theta. So what's the formula for sec theta? Hypotenuse by base, and cos theta is base by hypotenuse. So you may take any one ratio, any one formula from these two, find the value of AB. So I am taking cos. So therefore cos of angle 30 degree is base by hypotenuse. So which side is base? Side AB. And which side is hypotenuse? Side AC. So what's the value for cos 30 degree? It's root 3 by 2. AB will be AB and value for AC is 20 centimeter. So now cross multiply is 2 into AB is 2AB and root 3 into 20 is 20 root 3. Now AB equal to 20 root 3 by 2. Cancel this out. 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. Or AB equal to 10 root 3. Therefore, the length of side AB equal to AB is 10 root 3 centimeter. So we find the value of BC and AB. We find the value for BC is 10 centimeter and AB is 10 root 3 centimeter. Okay, so now I am giving you a task to do at home. So the question is, in a right angle triangle PQR, angle Q equal to 90 degree, angle R equal to 45 degree. If PR equal to 3 root 2, then let us find out the lengths of two sides PQ and QR. Okay, this was all for today. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.